our channel. Thank you for keep watching and coming our channel. So today's video is not an application, it's a little bit program. I thought it might be helpful for you. Let's start jump to the topic. Today's topic is concatenation. This is basically a function in which we join two strings together. So let's see, having a practical so you can understand. We'll write a program. First name is equal to input, enter your first name. This and last name is equal to input, enter your last name. Okay, so definitely full name, signing, first name plus, here we are using plus for concatenation, last name, then print your full name is comma full name. Let's see our program is working or not. So your first name is hello, a multiverse. You see here, here is the multiverse coming. uh, so okay, thank you, keep watching, thank you.